So, hello participants. I know it has been a long time. You must have been waiting for the results of this open theme art competition, right? So, here we are with the top 10 list with the top 10 participants for you guys. Let me tell you, like, we had more than 100 entries from the different part of this country, from different states, from different districts. So, selecting the best 10 and among the best 10, the best 3 was a very tough call for us. But then the jury managed it. So here we are for you with the rankings, and we'll start with the 10th rank and then we'll follow upwards. Okay, so here you have the first art among the top 10 list.
I congratulate Arvind Raj for securing 10th position in this painting competition. As we can see, your topic was to stop women exploitation. You have depicted the theme very creatively.
And the 9th position is secured by Nikita Majhi from Odisha. Her art shows very well that how Mother Nature, youth and all the health organizations are working hand in hand to fight with Corona and defeat it. And she has also shown very nicely that what are the do's and don'ts in this pandemic situation, like how we should use masks, sanitizers, we should maintain distancing so that we can just defeat this Corona and come back to the normal times, right? So very well done, Nikita. All the best for your future.
8th position goes to Prishita Das. Her topic was to use solar energy. As we can see in her painting that she has shown Earth, Mother Earth holding Earth in her hands with both the sides, and we have to decide which side would we prefer. So you were also very creative, Trishita.
The 7th position is secured by Rimjima Hazarika from Assam, and she has made a beautiful painting of the Titanic movie poster with all the plots and scenes so well showed, and it was very mesmerizing. So all the best for your future, Rimjima. Keep going.
6th position goes to V. Matthew. Her topic was Well Developed India in 2050, and you were amazing. Your creativity is amazingly shown in the painting. Your vision is clear and it can convey your message very creatively. So congratulations, V. Matthew.
5th position is secured by Abhishek Kumar from Jharkhand, and he made a very beautiful painting showing that how someone goes through pain and still hides it inside his eyes with a blindfold that covers all his pain or all her pain. He is showing with his painting that how a blindfold is covered to a girl's eyes. She's in too much pain, but she's hiding her wounds and the blood coming out from her eyes out of the pain. But at an extent, everyone has a limit, and the cloth gets so much wet that the blood scatters out the fold and it's all on her face. It was very well depicted, Abhishek Kumar. All the best.
4th position goes to P.S. Samrata. Her topic was importance of farmers. Your approach was somewhere realistic, but the idea was very creative and different from others. So congratulations to you.
Well, the 3rd position in this competition was a plot twist because it's a tie between two participants, and both the participants belong from West Bengal. The name of first participant is Sudeep Kuiti and the second participant is Sugata Ghosh. Sudeep Kuiti in his art is showing that how love and unity is the main pillar of this society. How Lord Krishna is playing flute and his fellow mates follow him like they love him so much. So all the best, Sudeep Kuiti. Your art was very nice. Keep going. But how can we forget Sugata Ghosh? He also made an art where he is showing that how the legacy of being a father can change a man's life, because being father is the best pride a man can hold. He shows that how a father cares, takes every bit of care for his child and protects him from everything. So it was a very well depicted art from you, Sugata. All the best for your future. Congratulations for the 3rd position.
2nd position goes to Aarti Kumari. Her topic was Read Beauty Standards, and you were amazing. And the way you have depicted the societal norms and beauty myths is creatively represented through your painting. And I wish you all the very best for your future.
The 1st position is secured by Vikas Kumar of Jharkhand, and he has made a very descriptive art that shows that how the policemen and the doctors are working day and night in this pandemic situation to save us from getting into this corona, and why we should help them and support by using the essential things required, that is the mask, sanitizers, maintaining social distancing, because if we unite together, then only we can defeat this corona. So a very well and very good descriptive art made by you, Vikas Kumar. Congratulations for securing the first position and all the best for your future.